You know, I give you this example because this is a classic example of us and God. Perfect example of us and God. Last week Sunday, Brother Sook brought a nice big bag of limes for me. I was like, thank you, Brother Sook. Limes are selling $3 for one in the market. You bring a bag of lime for me. Thank you. So Yiska comes into the kitchen after church. Hey, who bring guava? That's not guava, that's lime. Daddy, this is guava. Look, that is not guava, it's lime. Daddy, this is guava. Bite it. If it's guava, bite it. So she takes one and she goes and she washes it nice and bites it. Okay. Daddy, that was not nice. Did I tell you it was a lime? Yes. Did I tell you bite it? Yes. So then I told you to bite the lime, right? Yes. I said, well, if you're stupid enough to bite the lime, that's your fault. We do that to God all the time. God tells you, don't do it. But I want to do it. Don't do it. I want to do it. Don't do it. Go ahead and do it anyway. When we end up in trouble now, God, how come you let me end up in trouble? Why you didn't let me end up in trouble? You know, from the beginning, God tell you don't do it. Don't blame God, blame yourself. That's stupidity. I'm sorry, I'm being honest with you this morning. That is stupidity. If God tells you don't do something, you do it and you end up in problems, that's your problem. That is your problem. The thing is, though, we end up in more serious situation and biting our lime. Biting our lime is a small thing. You wash your mouth out, the problem done. We end up in situations that threaten our lives and threaten our genes, our generations, because we won't listen to God. Because we want our way, like a bunch of spoiled children. If you don't understand your present, you will fight God at every turn. Understand your present. Understand where God has you. Understand why He has you there.